Hey y'all, iRick Sky here, and this is a printer stand, and I'm going to assemble it within this video. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. But just a hopefully very nice printer stand. I just wanted to do the assembly video because I know if you're shopping for something like this, assembly is a big part of the purchase decision. So again, I'd appreciate it if you would expand this video's description and then click the link there if you decide to order one. So let's just go through this. This is not doctored up in any way. This is just me taking this out of the box for the first time. So we got some screws. We got this piece. We've got assembly instructions, I guess. And then we've got this piece here. Very nice looking. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Nice, nice. And then we've got this piece. And then we've got this piece. And that's it. So minimal amount of effort, it seems. Let's put this out of the way. Put this out of the way because I just don't want it over here, man. So now we're going to take our screws out of the bag. If I can get my phalanges in there. There we go. Taking that out. There's a Phillips head. Okay, so I need a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, let's look at this and see how dumb I am. So we got A and we got B. See if these are any different. Nope, same piece. A and B are the same piece. So you got these Z brackets here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So minimal amount of parts here. I'm going to move this box out of the way, y'all. So, let's see. Is there a top or a bottom? Bottom, top, bottom. Maybe there's no difference. Okay, that's easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put, this will be the top one. Sit this on there. Get a screw. There's a hole in the side already, so you want to stick it in that hole. Let's make sure it's going in. Let's see. Yeah. Now start the other one and make sure these are straight. Okay, well that was easy. Tighten them up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna flip it over this side. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna do this other piece here. See, we'll do the bottom. Let's get that in there and then start screwing it. Go ahead and line the other one up. My toes hurt. Ooh. Okay. Make sure it's tight. You know, you don't want it too tight, but. So now those are there. Now we'll do the other side. Paying close attention, your feet are on the same side. So the feet are on the bottom like this. That's how you want it. If you messed up, you might put it that way and then you have feet on top and bottom, you would have made a mistake. We don't make mistakes. No mistakes here, y'all. I'm just gonna thumb start these, make sure they all line up. There, now we're gonna do this top part. Thumb tighten them. Make sure they're in the holes. There it is. That's how to assemble this printer stand, and super simple. Put your printer on top, put your paper down the bottom like a boss. There you go. Couldn't have been easier. And again, expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this printer stand online. You could use it for other things too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.